starting with the great name of Allah. Today we are going to start lecture number 5 of class 3 maths, which is about the number names. We are going to learn the number names up to 1000, that is on the page number 8. First we are going to write the number names of some examples on the copy, which already I have written to save the time, and then we will move towards the copy, which will be your homework. So here there are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So up to thousands we have to write the spells, means number names. Just see, this is 6843. Now see the pronunciation, how we are going to pronounce it. As we pronounce it, the same will be written as a number name or the spell. If any digit is missing, then it would be skipped in the writing spells. I have written few examples, then you can understand it. So the first example, this is, see, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This is 2381. As I said earlier, as we say or as we pronounce any value, it will be spell is same. So the spell of this value or this number would be same as same. 2000, then 300, 3 is in 100, so 381. Okay, we are coming to the next example. See here, hundreds are missing, so in the spell we will skip the hundreds. Okay, so this is 7024, because hundreds are missing, so it would be same, 7024. And similarly, next example is, so see here the hundreds and tens both are missing, so both will be not pronounced and will also not be written. This is 1002, so simple, 1002. This is its spell or the number name. And another example, there is the tens are missing. This is 7400. This block counts as 403. The tens are missing, so the spell would be 7403. So coming to the page, that is 8. There are some numbers written at here up to 1000. You have to write the spells or the number names in front of these numbers on these lines, and this would be your homework, and you have to do it yourself by your own, and you have to send this your homework on our WhatsApp. Thank you very much.